Hi, Maya. So this question number 3, when it's asking you to use the determinant to find when you have a repeated root, 2 distinct real roots, or no real roots. Remember that when the discriminant is positive, you have 2 distinct real roots. When the discriminant is equal to 0, you have a repeated root. And when the discriminant is negative, you have no real roots. Okay, so for letter A, for example, first, let's find the discriminant. So the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. So the discriminant is 16 minus 4m. Okay, so for the first question, for it to have a repeated root, the discriminant would need to equal 0. So 16 minus 4m would equal 0. So negative 4m equals negative 16. So m would have to be 4. When m is 4, this quadratic touches the x-axis and only has one real root. Okay? And then for part 2, 2 distinct real roots. That means the discriminant needs to be greater than 0. So 16 minus 4m is greater than 0. Negative 4m is greater than negative 16. Now we're going to divide by a negative, so we have to change the sign. So anytime you plug in a number for m that's less than 4, so if m is 3, 2, 1, 0, negative 1, etc., then this has 2 distinct real roots. It will cut the x-axis and it will have 2 distinct real roots. Okay, and then finally, no real roots means that the discriminant would need to be less than 0. So 16 minus 4m would be less than 0. Negative 4m would be less than negative 16. So m would be greater than 4. When m is a number bigger than 4, 5, 6, blah, 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 this quadratic never touches or goes through the x-axis, so there's no real roots. Okay? I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day.